Welcome, turkey lovers and trivia champions. Welcome to the ultimate Thanksgiving trivia quiz. Think you know your turkeys, pies, and parade history? Let's put your festive knowledge to the test. I've got 25 Thanksgiving trivia questions coming your way. Some easy, some tricky. You'll get 5 seconds to guess each answer. Are you ready? In which year did the first Thanksgiving celebration between the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag tribe take place? Your options are Option A 1607, Option B 1620, or Option C 1621. The first Thanksgiving celebration between the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag tribe took place in 1621. How long did the original year 1621 Thanksgiving feast last? Your options are Option A 3 days, Option B 1 day, or Option C 2 days. The original 1621 Thanksgiving feast lasted for 3 days. The celebration took place in the autumn of 1621 and included 53 Pilgrims and 90 Native Americans from the Wampanoag people. Which U.S. president is credited with officially declaring Thanksgiving a national holiday in 1863? Your options are Option A George Washington, Option B Abraham Lincoln, or Option C Thomas Jefferson. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th U.S. president, is credited with officially declaring Thanksgiving a national holiday in 1863. He proclaimed that the final Thursday in November would be a national day of observance. What year was Thanksgiving officially declared a national holiday? Your options are Option A, 1776, Option B, 1824, or Option C, 1863. Thanksgiving was officially declared a national holiday in 1863 by President Abraham Lincoln. Which Native American tribe celebrated the first Thanksgiving with the Pilgrims? Your options are Option A, Wampanoag tribe, Option B, Cherokee, or Option C, Iroquois. The Wampanoag tribe celebrated the first Thanksgiving with the Pilgrims in 1621. Which dessert was not originally part of the first Thanksgiving feast? Your options are Option A, berries, Option B, pumpkin pie, or Option C, seafood. The dessert that was not originally part of the first Thanksgiving feast was pumpkin pie. Quiz break. Who do you think cooks the best dish at Thanksgiving? Mom, Dad, Grandma, or you? Comment below. What is the most popular Thanksgiving side dish in the U.S.? Your options are Option A, cranberry sauce, Option B, sweet potatoes, or Option C, mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes top nearly every state's preference list, beating stuffing by a tiny margin. How many turkeys are cooked in the U.S. each Thanksgiving? Your options are Option A, 10 million, Option B, 25 million, or Option C, 46 million. Approximately 46 million turkeys are consumed in the United States for Thanksgiving each year. Which city hosts the largest Thanksgiving Day parade? Your options are Option A, New York City, Option B, Chicago, or Option C, Los Angeles. New York City hosts one of the largest and oldest parades in the United States. What pie is most commonly served at Thanksgiving? Your options are Option A, apple, Option B, cherry, or Option C, pumpkin. Pumpkin pie is the most commonly served pie at Thanksgiving. Poll time. Pumpkin pie or apple pie? Drop your pick. Which NFL team has played the most Thanksgiving Day games? Your options are Option A, Detroit Lions, Option B, Dallas Cowboys, or Option C, Patriots. The Detroit Lions have played more Thanksgiving games than any other team. In which year did the first Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade take place in New York City? Your options are Option A, 1900, Option B, 1924, or Option C, 1948. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade is an annual parade in New York City presented by the American-based department store chain Macy's. The parade was first held in 1924. What is the common name for the loose, red flap of skin that hangs from a turkey's neck? Your options are Option A, snood, Option B, waddle, or Option C, comb. The common name for the loose, red flap of skin that hangs from a turkey's neck is a waddle. On an average, what percentage of Americans eat turkey on Thanksgiving? Your options are Option A, about 55%, Option B, about 68%, or Option C, about 88%. Nearly 88% of Americans eat turkey at Thanksgiving. Which is the busiest travel day of the year in the U.S.? Your options are Option A, Thanksgiving Day, Option B, Sunday after Thanksgiving, or Option C, day before Thanksgiving. Sunday after Thanksgiving is consistently the single busiest day of the entire year for travel. Which U.S. state raises the most turkeys each year? Your options are Option A, Minnesota, Option B, Texas, or Option C, Virginia. Minnesota is the top turkey-producing state in the U.S. Which ship brought the Pilgrims to America? Your options are Option A, Mayflower, Option B, the Dove, or Option C, Santa Maria. The ship that carried the Pilgrims to America was named the Mayflower. What shopping day follows Thanksgiving? Your options are Option A, Savings Saturday, Option B, Holiday Rush Day, or Option C, Black Friday. The shopping day that follows Thanksgiving is Black Friday, an unofficial start to the holiday shopping season marked by large sales and discounts. What was the first giant balloon character in the Macy's parade? Your options are Option A, Mickey Mouse, Option B, Felix the Cat, or Option C, Popeye. In 1927, 3 years after the parade launched, Felix the Cat debuted as its first big balloon. What sport is commonly played on Thanksgiving Day? Your options are Option A, basketball, Option B, baseball, or Option C, football. American football is one of the many traditions in American culture that is associated with Thanksgiving Day. What day is Thanksgiving celebrated in the U.S.? Your options are Option A, 3rd Thursday of November, Option B, 4th Thursday of November, or Option C, 2nd Tuesday of November. Thanksgiving is a federal holiday in the United States celebrated on the 4th Thursday of November. The earliest Thanksgiving can occur is November 22nd. The latest is November 28th. What famous Thanksgiving event happens in New York City every year? Your options are Option A, Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, Option B, the Harvest Festival, or Option C, Pilgrim March. The famous annual event is the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York City. It features giant balloons, elaborate floats, marching bands, and live performances, culminating at Macy's Herald Square. The parade draws millions of in-person spectators and tens of millions of television viewers. What Thanksgiving herb is also used in holiday stuffing? Your options are Option A, basil, Option B, sage, or Option C, thyme. Sage is the classic Thanksgiving herb most often used in holiday stuffing. Which U.S. president began the tradition of pardoning a turkey? Your options are Option A, John F. Kennedy, Option B, Bill Clinton, or Option C, George H. W. Bush. While earlier presidents spared turkeys, George H. W. Bush made it an official annual tradition in 1989. What is the name of the traditional bread used in classic stuffing? Your options are Option A, sourdough, Option B, cornbread, or Option C, rye bread. Cornbread stuffing is especially popular in the southern United States. And that wraps up our Thanksgiving trivia quiz. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and check out our other quiz videos. Happy Thanksgiving, and have a feast-tastic holiday. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.